task 2. So now we've got 3/4 pounds of chicken. So this is what we have. And we're going to put them into groups of 3/8 to make a batch. Well, this is what we have. This is what we need. So how many batches of egg rolls can we make? So I want to start and draw that 3/4 here. We're going to start with what we know he has, which is 3/4 of a pound of chicken. So we're going to draw our chicken here. I don't know what kind of chicken comes in a rectangle, but that's okay. So here's our chicken. You could even, give it a little beak here and some legs. Here's my chicken, okay? There we go. So I know that I have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4 is what he has. So would we be able to make groups of 3/8 from what I drew? I know that each of these are a 1/4. And I don't have 8s on here. So you might have drawn something different than me and thought about the problem in a different way. So I cannot make groups of 8s because I have groups of 4ths. So you can decide if your picture would help you cut it into 8s or not. So what could I use? So I know I have, I'm going to come back up here and just do a little writing. I know I have groups of 3/8, and my other fraction was working in 4ths. So I think I need to make a common denominator. If I list out multiples of 4, I know they both go into 8. So I want to use 8s to make those groups of 3/8. So now I'm going to draw my 8s bar here to help me out. So here I'm going to cut it in half and then in 2/4, and then I'm going to cut each of my 4ths in half, which makes 8 pieces because half of a 4th is an 1/8. So now I have 1/8 here. Here's 2/8, 3/8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8/8. So I'm going to come back up and read my problem. So we are putting groups of 3/8 together. So I'm going to grab a different color here. And I know I need 1, 2, 3/8 here. And I need 3/8 here. And this one doesn't quite have enough. It would need one more piece. Let's think about our 4ths here. 1/8 plus 1/8. Let's think. So my denominators are the same. 1 plus 1 is 2. Denominator stays the same. So let's simplify this. Divide them both by 2. 2 divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So every time I have 2/8, that equals a 4th. So, and I had 3/4. So here's 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So I didn't even have these ones, so I couldn't possibly use those. So it looks like I can come up with 1, 2 groups when I have 3/4 and I cut them into groups of 3/8. So we can have 2 groups and make 2 batches here.